Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool which will help you set up dynamic pricing in a WooCommerce website based on customer's device, customer's location, and stock levels in your WooCommerce website. For example, if the customer is using iPhone, then you can increase the price of your products for the iPhone user. If the customer is using Windows or Android phone, then you can decrease the price of the product for these customers. If the customer is from different state, then you can increase the price for that customer. So you can also set up location-based dynamic pricing. If the stock level is low, then you can increase the price for those products. And you can also set up discount for holidays and specific time period. And using this plugin, you can create different types of pricing rules. For example, you can set up pricing rule according to the income of the user's operating system, distance from your store, the state in which the user is. You can also set a pricing rule according to the zip code of the user, units remaining in stock, and you can set up pricing rules based on date, month, days of week, time, and holidays. The name of the tool is Flex Pricing. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can go to this website and create an account. You will get a free trial. You will see an option here, start for free. If you click on it, you just need to create an account on this website. You can enter the username, email address, create a password, enter your store name, enter the domain of your WooCommerce website. Check this box and click on sign up. It will create an account for you and you can start using it. If I go to frequently asked questions, you will see you can try flex pricing for 30 days at no cost. If you like it, you can go for the paid plan. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WooCommerce website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and I have some demo products on this website. So I'm going to link this website to the flex pricing. I have already created an account on flex pricing, and when you create an account on flex pricing, you will be on the dashboard of the flex pricing. This is how the dashboard will look. In the left hand panel, you will see all the products that you have on your store. First, you will need to connect your store with the flex pricing. You can create different pricing rules. There are some pre-designed pricing rules which you can also use. And this is store settings. When you create an account, it is going to create the store also. I have one store here. I'm going to create a new store. So let's go back to dashboard. And in the right hand corner, you will see your profile, plans, my store, and logout. Let me go to my stores here. All right, I have one store here, but it is not connected. So I'm going to create a new store and I'll show you how it works. Click on create new store. When you create an account on flex pricing, the store will be created automatically and you don't need to go through this. I'm just adding a new store here. I'm just adding some dummy name here. And this is the URL of the store. So I'm going to enter the domain, click create. So I have two stores here. However, in your case, there will be only one store. Let's go back to dashboard. And on the dashboard itself, you will see the option to connect your store. So you need to select the store and click connect. So I'm going to select my store. So if you have multiple store, you will see a drop down option. You can select your store. Okay, and I'm going to click on connect now. Now here you will see the steps to connect your store. First, you will need to download the zip file. So I'm going to download the zip file. We will need to install this plugin on the WooCommerce website. So I have downloaded the plugin file. So let's go back to the WooCommerce website. Let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Click on upload plugin. And I'm going to browse the flex pricing plugin. Click on install now. Click on activate plugin. All right, here you will see the option settings. Click on settings, or you can go to settings here and then you will see option flex pricing. Click on it. Okay, now it is asking you to enter the store API key. So let's go back to the dashboard here. And here you will see step 3, add this API key under plugin settings. So I'm going to copy it, go back to store, enter the API key and save the changes. Now let's click on test connection. All right, so it says successfully connected with flex pricing. All right, so here it says wait 30 minutes for the product catalog to import into flex pricing. So it's going to take some time to fetch all the details from your WooCommerce store. All right, so we will wait for some time, and after that we will check whether the products are showing in the store. If I go to products here, you will see that there is nothing. So it's going to take some time to get the data from the website. Meanwhile, we will go to pricing rules. And from here, you can create the pricing rules. So you can create different types of pricing rules. Click on create. So I'm going to set up some pricing rules. Let's start with the iPhone user. So I'm going to create a pricing rule for iPhone user, and let's add some description here. Click on create, and here you will see a drop down. Click on it, and the second option, users operating system. So the iPhone users are using iOS operating system. So let's select users operating system, and operating system is one of what? Here you would see option Android, iOS or Mac operating system. So I'm going to select iOS and Mac. So these are for the Apple users, and I'm going to delete Android. So this condition is only for the iPhone and the Mac operating system users. And here you will see the rule. If the user is using iOS or Mac operating system, then increase the price of the product by, let's say, 5%. So if the product actual price is $100, then for the Mac users, it will be $105. So this is how the rule will work. If you want to add another condition, you can also add another condition. Let's click on add or if, and I want to decrease the price for the Android users. So I'm going to select Android users from here and delete Mac operating system. So this new rule is for the Android users only, and I'm going to decrease the price by 5%. So for the Android users, the product will cost only $95. Right, so this is a new rule that we have created. Once done, you can click on save. Click save. All right, let's go back to pricing rules again. This is the rule that we have created. Let's create one more. Let's say state-wise pricing. Increase price for New York State. So in this pricing rule, we are going to increase the price for the customers from New York State. So if I go here, select state user in is one of, let's say, New York, then increase the price by 10%. So if the user is from the New York State, then it is going to increase the price by 10%. Let's say I want to decrease the price of the product for all the customers from other state except New York. So I'm going to create another condition here. If the state is not one of the New York, then decrease the price by 10%. So if the customer is from any other state, it is going to decrease the price by 10%. That's what the new rule is. So I'm going to click on save. Click save. So we have created the pricing rules only, but we have yet not assigned any product for these pricing rules. All right, let's go back. Here you will see an option, pre-made pricing rules. Click on it. So there are some pre-designed pricing rules that you can also use. Income-based pricing rule. So this is some information about how you can set up why income-based rule is important. You can go through this, and if you want to use this pricing rule, you can click on it, copy to my store, and come from copy, and it is going to add that pricing rule. So this is how the pricing rule is. If the income estimate of location is greater than $165,000, add condition, then increase by 10%. That means for the higher income users, it is going to increase the price by 10%. You will see its second rule for $125,000, increase by 5%. If the income estimate of location is between $75,000 to $124,999, then no change. If the income is between $50,000 to $75,000, then decrease by 5%. And for low income group, decrease it by 10%. So this is what the income based rule is. Once done, you can click on save. Let's go back to pre-made pricing rules, And you will see another option here, shipping distance based rule. Let's copy this one, confirm the copy. And this is the pricing rule. If the distance from the store is less than 500 miles, then decrease by 10%. If the distance from the store is between 500 to 1000 miles, then decrease by 5%. And here you will see distance from the store is greater than 2000 miles, then increase the price by 5%. So these are some pricing rules that you can use. You can modify them. Let's say if you want to increase by 11%, you can change it to 11%. If the distance is less than 400 miles, then 11% decrease. So you can customize these pricing rules also. Once done, you can click on save, and this pricing rule will be added to your WooCommerce store. If I go to pricing rules again, you will see that we have 4 different pricing rules. Let's go back again, and you will see other pricing rules: inventory based rule, state CPI based rule, device based rule. Let's try this one, in inventory based rule. Click on copy, click on confirm copy, and this is the structure of the inventory based rule. If the stock quantity is less than or equal to 100, then decrease the price by 15%. If the stock quantity is between 101 to 1000, no change. If the stock quantity greater than 1000, then decrease by 10%. All right, the first rule is increase by 15%. If there is less quantity, then increase by 15%. This is how you can use the inventory based pricing rule. Let's go to products. All right, so you can see that it has fetched the products from the website. Let me go to the website here, and we have 11 products here. All right, now let me open this one, a wristwatch, and the price of this product is $10. And here I'm using Windows operating system, so we are going to apply the rule for this product. So let's go back to flex pricing, and this is the product. You will see the price is $10. I'm going to select this product, and I want to add pricing rule for this one. So click on action, click on apply pricing rule to selection, to this selection, and select the pricing rule. I'm going to select iPhone user. That is what the name of the pricing rule that we created. So click on it and click on apply, click on yes. Now we have applied the rule to this product, but we need to make it live. So click on the product again and select set selection to active, click yes. Now this pricing rule is applied for this product. It is going to take a minute or two to apply these pricing rules. If I go to pricing rule, let me see the pricing rule again. iPhone user, this is what the pricing rule is. And for the Android user, we are going to decrease the price. So let me add the Windows operating system. So I have added Windows operating system also. Click on save. Earlier it was set to only the Android users. I have added the Windows operating system also, and let me decrease it by 10%. All right, and save it. And you can see that the price of this product is now $8.99. The earlier price was $10. Now it is $8.99. Why it is $8.99? Even if we have 10% discount, it should be $9 in that case. So let me show you. And if I go to dashboard, let's go to store settings. And if I scroll down, you will see the rounding strategy here. If the product price is 26.43, then it will be 26.39. So it's going to round off. You will see it is more than 296.48. So it is going to round it off. Here you will see 295.99. So the price of this product should be $9 after 10% discount. However, it has changed the price to $8.99 instead of $9. That's because of this setting here. So this is the strategy that we are using. If you do not want like this, you can simply select no rounding. It is not going to change the price. It will use the actual price after the discount. So I'm going to keep it on this strategy. This one looks good to me. All right, now let's go to pricing rules again. Let's go to this pricing rule, inventory based pricing rule. And here we have, if the stock is less than 100, then it is going to increase the price by 15%. So let's go to one of the products here. Let's try this one. Go to edit. And if I go to inventory, currently it shows 993 available stock. So according to this rule, there should not be any change in the pricing. So let's go back to the product again. All right, the price of this product is $39.99. Now I'm going to change the inventory for this one. Let's make it 80. Now the stock is less than 100. I'm going to click on save. And according to this pricing rule, it should increase the price by 15%. This is the current price, around $40. Let's go back to dashboard, go to products, and we are going to add the rule for this product here. You will see jacket skinny fit. So we need to select that one. Go to action, apply pricing rule, select the pricing rule, inventory based rule, click on apply, click yes, and we need to make it live. So select the product again, click on action and click on set selection to active, click yes. Now this inventory based pricing rule will be applied to this particular product. If you want to apply this rule to all the products, then you can select all the products from here and select the pricing rule for all the products. So the process will remain same. You need to select all the products and select the pricing rule that you want to apply for all the products. In this case, I have selected only one product. All right, so let's go back to product. The current pricing is $39.99. The stock is now below 100. Refresh it. It's going to take a minute or two to apply the rule. So when I refresh it, you will see the change in the price. Now the price of this product is $45.99, which is an increase of 15%. And that is because of the pricing rule that we have applied. The inventory of this product is less than 100. So one by one, you can start creating different pricing rules and apply these pricing rules on your WooCommerce product. So if you want to use the dynamic pricing in your WooCommerce store, you can start with the free trial. I'll give you the link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.